C, a challenge question. This one is a very, very difficult challenge one here. For this one, it would be sensible to make sure you have all of the powers in the, all of the numbers in the same index, and to simply take one thing at a time. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with fixing up all of the numbers, because I've got 4s and I've got 2s. What I might also do here is I must also expand the brackets accordingly. So for a start, 4 to the power of 4. 4 is the same as 2 squared. So this is going to be 2 to the power of 8. And this 4 here, 4 cubed, well, 4 is 2 squared, so that's going to be the same as 2 to the power of 6. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make sure I do all of my expansions correctly. So this numerator, we've got an 8 and a 3 here. So 8 times 3 is going to be 24. Got a 6 and it's on the outside of the bracket is a 4. 6 times 4 is also 24. I've got this 2 to the power of 14 here, to the power of 2, so that's going to be 2 to the power of 28. I've got a 2 to the power of 4, we've got a 5 here, so 2 to the power of 4, 4 times 5 is going to make that 2 to the power of 20. The next things is getting all of my x's in order. I've got x, and I've got an x here, x cubed. So in this section, I've got x to the power of 3 times another x, makes it x to the power of 4. I've got this x to the power of 4, another 4 there. It's going to be x to the power of 16. There are no x's in this section. There is an x here. X to the power of 4 times 5 is x to the power of 20. The y's. Y 5 to the power of 3. So that's going to make that 15. There's 1 at the bottom here. Y to the power of 7 times 2, which is 14. There are no y's on the right-hand side. M. M to the power of 2, all that to the power of 3, makes it m to the power of 6. M to the power of 2 here at the bottom. M to the power of 3 times 4, which makes it m to the power of 12. And then we've got m to the power of 3 and a 5 there, m to the power of 15. I've got a p to the power of 14 down at the bottom, to the power of 2, which makes it p to the power of 28. P to the power of 3 times 3 makes it p to the power of 9. P to the power of 5 times 4 makes it p to the power of 20. And then we've got the solitary p down here, so that can live down there. So we can now do 2 steps at the one time. We can add the powers on the top, but also we can take away the powers at the bottom. So 2 to the power of 24 plus 24, take away 28, take away 20. X to the power of 4 plus 16, take away 20. Y to the power of 15, take away 14. M to the power of 6 plus 12, take away 2, take away 15. And P, 9 plus 20, take away 28, take away 1. (24) plus 24 is 48. 48 take away 28 is 20. Take away 20 makes it 0. x to the power of 4 plus 16 is 20. Take away 20 is 0. Y to the power of 15, take away 14 is 1. M to the power of 6 plus 12 is 18. Take away 2 is 16. Take away 15 is 1. 9 plus 20 is 29. 29 take away 28 is 1. Take away 1 is 0. So our final answer is 1 times y times m times 1, which is my.